just north of Mendota. So it's just like 30 minutes farther south than Rochelle. So do I start here?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Hi, I'm Crystal Williams, and I'm a Pioneer Field Agronomist, and this is Distracted Answering. Alright, so some weeds that farmers face are mare's tail, pigweed, ragweed. Enlist E3 stacks against them by providing systemic control approach to knock down problem weeds. Enlist herbicides don't need a volatility reducing agent because it already comes with Colex D technology. So we got you covered. Oh no, that's not good. I said I'm just gonna bear hug this and hang out here. Oh my gosh, absolutely. Enlist E3 soybeans make it so much easier to be a great neighbor because you don't have to worry about herbicides going where they shouldn't. Wait, what was the question? Sorry. I got a little distracted there.